Dear students, welcome to the Economic Study Circle. In this video, we are going to present Business Study subject for 2nd PUC. As you know that we are already uploaded 1 to 7 chapter MCQs in our channel. Here I am going to present 8th chapter, that is Controlling MCQs. To get more marks, MCQ questions are very important. Let us start 1 marks MCQs. In this video, hot questions also included and marked with red color star. So, please give your 100% concentration. First question. An efficient control system helps to Option A. Accomplished organizational objectives. Option B. Boosts employee moral objectives. Option C. Judge accuracy of standards. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is Option D. All of the above. Second question. Controlling function of organization is Option A. Forward looking. Option B. Backward looking. Option C. Both forward and backward looking. Option D. None of the above. Right answer is Option C. Both forward and backward looking. Third question. Controlling function is performed by manager at Option A. Top level. Option B. Middle level. Option C. Lower level. Option D. All the levels. Right answer is Option D. All the levels. Fourth question. Standards can be set in dash terms. Option A. Quantitative. Option B. Qualitative. Option C. Both quantitative and qualitative. Option D. None of the above. Right answer is Option C. Both quantitative and qualitative. Fifth question. Fifth question is a hot question. As you know that hot means high order thinking questions. These questions are newly added to the question bank. Yes. Fifth question. What should be the critical point for a manager to attend while controlling, as controlling in each and every steps is not possible? Option A. Special area. Option B. Key result area. Option C. Normal area. Option D. None of these. Right answer is Option B. Key result area. Thank you for watching. I will come back with new chapter. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. If you have any queries, raise your queries in comment box. Thank you.